Good morning, people of YouTube. Probably since early February, I have not been able to make it out here on foot to do some of my work, and this is what I am going to do today. There's a mess here. There's all these trees that fell down when I was away. So, get this branch out of the way. I don't like these big branches. They're going to be annoying. Never mind. I'm just going to cut this thing up. Anyway, we finally got a gorgeous spring day for this, and I am really, really happy to be out here again. This is like the best exercise I have ever found. Let's see, the saw is actually holding up pretty well. Yeah, haven't done much cutting at all today. Fuck it. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to get this show back in the road. Basically, I'm going to go back the way I came. I'm not doing much of a walk today because I haven't been out walking in more than a month. So I'm going to take it kind of easy, keep it down to maybe 4 miles or something like that. Damn, more trees. What am I supposed to do? Never mind. As much as I love this being the forest, it has this startling tendency of trees keep falling out here. So, let me take care of this. Oh, the log is getting pinched here. So I gotta jack it up underneath or something like that. Oh, it's getting pinched. Damn it. So we have to fix that. Again. Oh, that's kind of annoying. Okay. Maybe that's going to let up some pressure on over here. Well, I saw some other new trail back that way, and I kind of want to see where it goes, so I am going to follow that. Whew. Taking a little break out here. It's been a good day of hiking around in the woods. Everything that was snow when I was through here about a week ago. This is all melted, and the only snow I've seen is just little patches here and there. Whoa, look at this thing. I wonder how long this has been here. I mean, I've been past this thing so many times, I should probably give it a name, you know? Oh, wow. Ooh, look at this. Another tree down across the path. And this is an old forest road in here where I didn't even know there was one, so I want to see where this goes. This is really intriguing me now. I came here today to chew bubblegum and cut trees, and I am all out of bubblegum. Ooh. So I'm going to take the pressure off this. Now I can safely take this piece out, which is right here. See, when the trails are messy like this really annoys me. And when I get annoyed, Mr. Bigglesworth gets upset. And you know what happens then. Much better. Yay. You know, I'm all set to go back to the car, and what do I find? A tree down across the path. This is the path that me and Martin made last fall, and I was looking for it earlier, and this is why I didn't see it. There is a tree down across the path, so... Alright, in case you guys didn't guess it yet, my standard operating procedure is to take out the branches first. That clears the ground, makes it easier to get in down here, blah 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 blah. Also makes the tree trunk a lot easier to move around. Makes these branches just stick out and catch on everything. Which is really freaking annoying, but I don't think there's much I can do about it. Alright, that's going to break that way. And since we were going to make this single track anyway, I'm just going to take this out right here. this is back where I was earlier. See, this thing makes a great lightsaber, except it's for trees, you know. Alright gang, I thought I saw something here that I thought y'all would find interesting. See this here? This has been left by what we call a trench-o-sexual in the off-road community. This is someone who gets a kind of a sexual, and needless to say, they go riding in a season which it's going to absolutely ruin the ground here. Thank you very much, whoever you are. I don't know who it was. I mean, I have some guesses, but I just hope that they go seek, you know, the appropriate help. Pretty sure that whoever it was, they were, let's just say, they're